Hi everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a countdown timer to a Google slideshow. Imagine this. You've set up your slides, you're about to start a lesson, and you want a countdown timer on one of the slides. Maybe to give your students 5 minutes to discuss in small groups. There are actually 2 easy ways to do this, so let's go through both. First, go to the slide where you want the countdown timer to appear. At the top, click on Insert, and then choose Video. In the YouTube search box, type the length of the timer you want, followed by the words Countdown Timer. For example, I'll type 10-second countdown timer. Hit Enter or click the search button. You'll see several countdown timer videos. Read the video titles to find the one you like. I'll choose this one as an example. Click it once, then click Insert. Now your countdown timer video is inserted into your slide. You can click and drag to move it, and use the blue squares in the corners to resize it however you like. With the timer selected, look to the right side for the video playback options. By default, the option is set to play on click. That means the timer won't start until you click it during your presentation. If you want the countdown to start automatically, change this setting. Under Playback Options, click the drop-down and choose Play Automatically. Now, as soon as your slideshow starts, the countdown timer will begin right away. Maybe instead you want to use a timer video that you've downloaded from the internet. Here's how to do that. Go to a free stock video site like pixabay.com, search for Countdown Timer, and choose the video length you need. Download the timer video to your computer. Next, open Google Drive and upload the video you just downloaded. Once it's uploaded, go back to Google Slides, go to the slide where you want the timer, click Insert, then Video, and select Google Drive. Find the video in your drive, click on it, and then click Insert. The timer will appear on your slide. Just like before, you can drag to position it, resize it, and adjust the video playback options to play on click or play automatically. And that's it. You can add a countdown timer to Google Slides either by embedding a YouTube video or by uploading a timer video from sites like Pixabay. Both work great for lessons, meetings, or presentations. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech guides.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.